Okay, today I'm going to show you how to take an image of your own and make it work in Design Space. So somebody had shown me an image that I am going to share with you if I can find it. There. So somebody had shown me this image on Facebook and they said this is the kind of design that they want to do in Design Space. So there's not an image like this in Design Space, but they want a cross, but it's got to be coming up out of the circle. So here's the challenge. What you want Cricut to cut is going to be this cross, but also this circle. But there's no line here. So how do you achieve that? Because typically I would say insert a circle in Design Space and a cross, and you'll be fine. But it would cut the bottom of that cross, and you don't want that. So here is what I am going to show you what I would do for this. I would insert a circle, make it the size I want it. Then I'm going to go to Images and find a cross. And I'm just, ooh, those are not the kind of crosses I want. Ooh, here's a good basic cross. Okay, let's insert that. Now I'm going to put that in here, make it the size I want. I'm going to leave the bottom kind of hanging off. So now if I go like this and I slice it, and I take all this out, I can do that, but then I can click on this image and go contour and turn off the center part. And now it's a cross coming out of a circle, which let's go back to the other image and see how much alike that kind of looks. So it's pretty similar. I mean, obviously you could get a different kind of cross to make it more your own, but that's how I would do it. The trick is making sure that cross is hanging off at the bottom a little bit so that you don't get that cut line there. I hope that helped you to kind of look at an image and really look at where the cutting parts are going to be to then figure out how you can make that same image in Design Space on your own. Make sure to like this video and leave comments if you have questions and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.